Connecting Devices, TR-069 Device Management Service Cloud ACS. How to connect CPE to Device Management Service Cloud ACS, taking into account the requirements of TR-069. To connect your device, you only need to make the following configuration settings. Enable TR-069. Configure the ACS URL, the ACS Internet address accessible from the device. If your device has been configured properly and has an access to the Internet, the device will start communicating with the Cloud ACS. All other parameters will be configured during the first session with Device Management Service Cloud ACS. Where can I find ACS URL for my instance? If your instance was successfully created and active, you will get the ACS URL for CPE connection with and without TLS. How can I configure my CPE? In order for the device to be connected to the ACS and for correct display on the technical support portal, you must perform the following steps. To connect to the web control panel of the device. Then in the TR-069 Client Settings tab, activate the TR-069/CWMP client on the device, set the correct ACS URL, and after that set the periodic interval that you want. You do not need to enter a username or password, they will be generated and installed automatically during the first session when the device connects to our ACS. If you have done everything correctly, CPE will initiate the first TR-069 session, and our Device Management Service ACS will provide the initial configuration. How can I find my CPE? You can now open the Device Management Service interface and go to the support portal. You can find your device by serial number or IP address, or sort by first activity. The latest should be the connected device. By clicking on the gear button, you can start managing your device according to the requirements of the TR-069 protocol. Now you can manage and control your CPE device. If you need to configure the ACS URL on multiple CPE devices, you can do it with custom firmware, where the ACS URL is already pre-configured. Through the DHCP server, the settings for connecting to the TR-069 ACS server are transmitted using the option 43 of DHCP server. Through OMCI to configure the TR-069 settings interface from the OLT side. We are confident that the information presented in our video tutorial was useful to you. If you still have any questions, please apply to our support team via email contact@tr069.pro, and we will be happy to help you.